Hi guys, and welcome to the first project in Blender that you're likely to do here at the Blender Bootcamp. My name is Joe and I'm going to be the instructor for this class. Now in the first project we are going to be taking you from start to finish in terms of the basic workflow that most 3D artists will undertake when using a 3D modeling application like Blender. This means we're going to be learning the fundamentals of different concepts, such as navigating in 3D space, the ability to select and edit our mesh objects, how to apply materials to these objects, set up basic lighting with our render engine, and create a rendered image of our scene. All of that and more is coming up in your first project in Blender.